Don't bring that in the kitchen, baby. Turn around, turn around. Tatama yung nanay, pasari-sali ma. You can do it perfectly. Where is letter O? O, letter O. You show to Dad. Where is letter O? Oh, what about letter M? M. That is letter S. Japan. Where is letter M? Very good. Where is letter V? V. Very good. Where is letter X? Letter X. Look around, look around. Look around. No. Letter X. Letter X.
Mom?
X. Show Mama letter X. Here. Japanese. Okay. Show Mama where is number 4. Show Mama number 4. Come on. Japanese.